Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So one of the best ways to enjoy music is by organizing your favorite songs into a playlist. Whether you are making a workout mix, a road trip soundtrack, or a chill vibes collection for any lazy Sundays. So creating your own playlist in Amazon Music is quick and easy. Once you create it, you can keep adding to it, share it with friends, and even listen to it anytime. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a brand new playlist on Amazon Music on both mobile and desktop. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, we want to start using our Amazon Music app. Even though I'm using the website because I can't access the actual app, but I'm gonna try and basically give you the whole idea. Fast and easy, like I said. So just go ahead and open the Amazon Music app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on Library in the bottom navigation bar. Look for the playlist section, tap on it. Then you will see a button that says Create a Playlist, or just a plus icon like in Spotify. It's usually near the top or bottom of the screen, just tap it. Give your playlist a name, choose something descriptive like Gym Jams, Sunday Morning Coffee. Sometimes you can basically choose whatever you want. Optionally, you can add a description and choose a cover image. You can pick a photo from your camera roll or let Amazon generate one. Then you can easily tap Create or Save in the top corner. Your new playlist is now ready. You can easily access it, add music to it. If you want to use the app, the web or the desktop app, easily go to music.amazon.com like this one. Or open the desktop app and sign in, click on the library. In the left sidebar, if you already basically have the subscription, then add playlist, name your playlist and click create, and that was it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.